Hello and welcome to our monthly market update. My name is Masoud Vatandoust, broker with the Vatandoust search team. And as usual, I'm here with Doug Sears, my partner, to go over the numbers and the statistics of Toronto Real Estate Board for Durham Region. So Doug, go ahead and tell us about what's happened in the market in March.
Okay, thanks, Masoud. So we'll start with our first chart, number of homes sold. In Durham region, there were 1,390 residential transactions in February, which is 24.7% higher than the 10-year average of 1,115. We anticipate sales continue to be stronger than the 10-year average for the next few months. For the average selling price in Durham region for March, it was $1,148,685. Now, this is a drop of 6.5% when compared to the average price in February, which was $1,228,990. Now, it is important to understand that this is still a 27.4% increase from the same time last year, and still 11.2% over December of last year as well. The average days on market has continued to stay low at 7 days. For the ratio of sold to new listings, there were 2,473 new listings in March, and an increase of almost 53%, so a substantial increase over February of 2022. And a 12% drop from the same period last year. When combined with the number of homes sold, the ratio of sold to new listings dropped to 56%. So this is indicating a more balanced market between sellers and buyers. Well, that's it for our charts. And so we certainly are seeing a shift in the market.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the shift in the market started in beginning of March, Doug, and we started seeing a number of offers going down as the number of listings went up. Is that in line with what you're thinking?
Yeah, just having that significant increase in the number of listings, there's just more choice for buyers.
Yeah.
And I think when we combine that with, we've been seeing increasing interest rates, or the indications of continued increasing rates from the banks, some buyer fatigue, that it just has reduced the intensity. So we're seeing reduced numbers of showings. And then when we get to offer night, in our, way the market's been working the last couple of years is you list lower than what you expect, hold off offers, and then on 5 days later, on the Monday or a Tuesday, you present all the offers. And so we're just seeing fewer offers coming in, as well as just in the last couple of weeks, seeing actually a large number of homes not selling on offer night. Last year, it would be, 99.9% of homes would sell on offer night. And what we're actually starting to see, between 30 to 50% of the homes might sell on offer night, probably closer to 30% at this point, and a larger number of homes not selling and then basically relisting, going back on the market at market value. And so now that gets back into almost more of a traditional market where you list at what you expect, and now you negotiate back and forth, and you have fewer offers at that point. You might be dealing with only one offer. That's kind of what we've been seeing just over the last couple of weeks.
Yeah. And the market was, I suppose the imbalance was January and February was a very unusual demand for homes and very little inventory on the market. So that drove the prices up. And as we said before, it's really that level of increase in prices was not sustainable. And we are now seeing that things are slowing down. I don't think there's going to be a major drop in prices. Obviously, long term, we'll see what the trend is. This is just a blip. But I don't think there would be a major drop in the prices, but it's giving the buyers a little bit more choice, and with the number of homes coming on the market, and they are obviously picking the ones that are priced right and in their price range. So
yeah, and as we talked over the past couple of months, there was a huge, a record-breaking increase between December of last year to January of this year.
Yeah.
So as we talk about the market starting to level off,
right.
Where is it going to settle? We start to get into crystal ball territory.
Yeah.
But we certainly see the market leveling off. It's just now a question of where is it going to level off? Is it going to come back up a little bit to where it was in the January, February? Is it going to settle out where we are right now? Will it settle a little bit lower than where we are right now? We're not too sure, but it's still a significant increase over December of last year, right?
Yeah.
It's still a big jump. So we do see a reduced number of offers coming in, potentially a shifting and listing strategy, where we just list at market value, possibly moving away from the list low strategy and holding off offers that might start to decrease and shift away from that. But that'll be what we'll be paying a very close attention to over the next couple of weeks. And we'll hopefully see some a little bit more predictability coming up in the near future.
Yeah, we are monitoring the market very closely these days to see what is happening. It takes a couple of months of numbers to come out to know where the trend is and where we are going. But both Doug and I are very analytical, and we are monitoring the market very closely. Every listing, every day, we are seeing what's going on. So if you have any requirements, if you're thinking of selling or buying and you want more information as to what you should be doing, please give us a call, because every day as time goes on, our knowledge is getting closer to the reality and what's happening out in the market. So we'd be happy to share that with you, up-to-date information with you, and let you know what's going on and how it would affect you, whether you are selling or buying. Anything else, Doug, on closing at all?
Yeah, no, I think that that covers it. And obviously, every person's situation is different and unique, and we'd be happy to review that, with you, to go through your unique situation and your needs, to figure out the right strategy, timing, and approach to deal with your real estate needs. So please give us a call, and we would be happy to do that with you.
Great. And until next month, when we present the stats again, have a great time and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.